When considering Vendio for your dropshipping needs, there are 12 key points to consider before making your decision. While it offers a range of tools, it's important to weigh it against other competitors to see if it's the best choice for your business. Stick around until the end to find out if Vendio really lives up to the hype. First, Vendio's main selling point is its comprehensive multi-channel selling platform. You can connect your store to marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, and others. This is a huge advantage if you're looking to expand your reach quickly. However, it's important to note that some other dropshipping platforms, like Shopify or BigCommerce, have more integrations with third-party apps and tools, which can streamline your process even further. Next thing to keep in mind is its pricing structure. Vendio's subscription fees can quickly add up. They offer a range of plans depending on the number of listings you need, but the pricing isn't as transparent as other platforms, which makes it hard to budget accurately. In contrast, Shopify's pricing is more straightforward, and you can scale easily as your business grows. The third thing to consider is its product catalog. Vendio offers access to suppliers through its partner network, but the selection isn't as vast as some other platforms like Oberlo or Spocket. If you're aiming to offer a broad range of products, you might find the variety a bit limiting here. Moving on to the fourth thing, we have Vendio's user interface. It's not the most intuitive compared to its competitors. If you're a beginner, it might take some time to get used to the layout, while platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce offer a more streamlined, user-friendly experience out of the box. The fifth thing to be aware of is its order management system. While Vendio offers basic tools for managing orders, it doesn't have the depth of features that other platforms like Wix or BigCommerce provide. For instance, you'll find that the order fulfillment process isn't as automated or flexible, which could slow down your workflow. Now let's talk about customer support. Vendio provides support via email, but if you're used to live chat or phone support, you may find this a bit limiting. Compared to other platforms that offer 24/7 live chat, like Shopify, this could be a deal breaker if you're someone who needs instant assistance. Next thing to consider is its mobile app. Vendio offers a mobile app, but it's far from perfect. It lacks the capabilities and smooth functionality that you'd find with apps from platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce, which makes it less ideal if you're looking to manage your store on the go. The seventh thing is its reporting tools. Vendio's reporting tools are basic, and while they give you the essentials, you won't find the in-depth analytics or customization options available with competitors like WooCommerce or Shopify. If you're a data-driven seller looking to optimize your store's performance, you might need third-party integrations to fill in the gaps. The eighth thing to keep in mind is shipping integration. Vendio does integrate with some shipping carriers, but it's not as seamless as the integration found in Shopify or BigCommerce. With these competitors, you can expect a more streamlined shipping process, including automated rate calculations and label printing. The ninth thing is SEO tools. Vendio's SEO features are pretty basic and can be limiting if you're looking to scale your store's organic search presence. On the other hand, Shopify's SEO features are robust, making it easier for you to improve your search rankings without needing third-party apps. Now, the 10th thing to think about is scalability. Vendio's platform is functional for small businesses, but when it comes to scaling, you may find yourself outgrowing it. Competitors like Shopify are more suited for larger businesses and can handle bigger volumes of orders and products without the need for an upgrade to a new platform. The 11th thing is its marketplace fees. Vendio's fees for listing on marketplaces like eBay can be higher compared to platforms like Shopify, where you get better control over fees. This could be a significant factor if you're looking to maximize your profit margins. And finally, Vendio's integrations with external apps are somewhat limited. Unlike platforms like Shopify, which boast a huge app store to enhance your dropshipping business, Vendio lacks this level of customization and flexibility. If you want to expand your store's functionality, you might run into roadblocks with Vendio. In conclusion, Vendio offers a solid platform for dropshipping, especially if you're looking to sell on multiple channels. However, if you're looking for a more user-friendly, feature-rich, and scalable option, you might want to explore other solutions. You can try out our recommended solution for free to see how it compares and determine the best fit for your business.